Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. ChatGPT is an innovative tool that has been taken over by a storm in the industry. The ChatGPT can produce content in record time as an advanced artificial intelligence-based language model, which makes it a very hot topic for the marketing of content. What's the meaning of ChatGPT, and what can you do with it to improve your content creation process? In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of this cutting-edge tool, including practical tips and strategies as well as some common pitfalls you will want to avoid. So, get ready to discover how ChatGPT can transform your content creation process and help you keep up with the ever-increasing demand for fresh and engaging content. Let's begin. First, we need to understand, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence (AI) language model that has taken the field of natural language processing by storm. It is designed to process and analyze massive amounts of text data and generate human-like text responses. Generative Pre-trained Transformer is used by ChatGPT to describe its use of a transformer architecture that has been pre-programmed with massive quantities of text information. Can ChatGPT be used for content writing? Although ChatGPT is not a content writer tool, you can use it to help with your content creation process. ChatGPT is especially useful in carrying out research, developing topic proposals, concepts and initial drafts due to its ability to quickly identify relevant information and propose suggestions. However, it is important to be aware of its limitations in the production of quality content. To guarantee the quality and accuracy of content generated by ChatGPT, it is very important for human authors to examine and edit this content before its publication. 5 ways to use ChatGPT for content writing. In this video, we will examine 5 ways in which ChatGPT's capabilities may be used to support your content writing efforts. 1. Generate article outlines. By providing suggestions for subtopics or sections based on the ideas of the blog posts, ChatGPT can be used to create an article outline. For instance, you can prompt ChatGPT to generate an outline for an article on how to use ChatGPT for content writing, evaluating the suggestions provided by ChatGPT and selecting those that are of greatest relevance or interest. To create a coherent shape, you may need to modify or combine some of the suggestions. If you want to write a different version or include specific information, you can always tell ChatGPT to do. 2. Write headlines and meta descriptions. You can use ChatGPT to provide suggestions for attention-grabbing headlines and informative meta descriptions based on a given topic or keyword. This is what we can see in practice. Define the main topic or keyword to start. Please provide a list of potential headlines for the keyword, by means of ChatGPT. As a case in point, for example, if you write about Google AdSense benefits on your blog, you can ask ChatGPT to write 5 headlines for a blog post on the benefits of Google Ads. Here is the output. You may notice that the key keyword benefits of Google Ads are missing from a majority of examples for suggested headlines in ChatGPT. You can give ChatGPT a follow-up message if you are targeting this keyword. Generate 5 other headlines. This time make sure to include the main keyword, benefits of Google Ads. 3. Draft introductions and conclusions. By providing suggestions based on the topic and purpose of its articles, ChatGPT will be able to help you in preparing introductions and conclusions. For a blog post about the benefits of Google AdWords, you can ask ChatGPT to create an introduction and conclusion. But keep in mind that ChatGPT is more likely to give you a generic output with this kind of prompt. To improve the result, you should provide more information to ChatGPT regarding the content of your text, its angle, purpose, audience and editorial tone. 4. Aid keyword research. ChatGPT is a language model that is trained to generate text based on prompts, and can be used to generate new ideas and suggestions for keywords and topics. However, it does not have the same level of precision and accuracy as dedicated keyword research tools. For that purpose, we will show how to build keyword ideas and clusters of topics using ChatGPT. Develop a prompt that is specific to your subject as soon as you identify the topic for which you are going to research. For example, you could ask ChatGPT, "What are some related keywords for Google Ads?" It's a good place to start your keyword research, but ChatGPT doesn't have a lot of information about the keyword volume, difficulty, or search intent behind these keywords. In order to generate keyword ideas and expand your research, ChatGPT can be a useful tool. In order to achieve a complete and precise keyword strategy, use must be made of this tool in conjunction with the various keyword research tools and techniques. 5. Use writing prompts. By producing ideas and inspiring your creativeness, ChatGPT may use writing prompts to help you write content. Writing prompts may be generated in various forms, e.g. questions, statements or scenarios on the platform. These prompts can also help you to think of new content ideas and, in some cases, generate word combinations for your article. You will need to provide a general topic or theme for the content when using writing prompts in ChatGPT. In the case of a blog about digital advertising, you can ask ChatGPT to put together some prompt questions relating to this topic. You can use the prompts as a starting point for your writing, or you can incorporate them into your content in different ways, such as by addressing them directly or using them as inspiration for your ideas. Thank you for watching. As with any tool, it takes practice and experimentation to apply ChatGPT effectively. But you'll find it easy to create high-quality content, with ease and effectiveness if you follow the tips and strategies set out in this video.